Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on checking for software updates on your Xiaomi phone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Checking for updates on a Xiaomi phone is easy. Start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, tap on About Phone at the top right. At the top left of the About Phone area here, it shows your current MIUI version. If there is a new version available, it will have an Update button. Tap that. On this screen, you will see the information about the new version. Tap Download Update. Once it has downloaded, you will be prompted to restart your device in order to complete the update. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.